For this review problem, we are asked to find the tangent line to the curve x cosine 1 over x at x equals 2 over pi. To get started here, let me just recall for you that in general, as discussed on the Introduction to Derivatives video, that if we would like to find the tangent line to the curve y equals f of x at x equals a, that tangent line is given by y equals f prime a times x minus a plus f of a. That is the line going through the point a comma f of a with slope given by f prime of a. For the problem we are given here, our function is x cosine 1 over x, and we want to find the tangent line at the value x equals 2 over pi. So we essentially need to determine two numbers here. What is f of 2 over pi? And what is f prime of 2 over pi? So looking at our function f, we see that f of 2 over pi will be 2 over pi cosine pi over 2, and cosine pi over 2 is equal to 0, so the function value is 0. In order to determine f prime of 2 over pi, we need to differentiate our function. Since our function is x cosine 1 over x, we are going to differentiate with the product rule to start. We take the derivative of the first, which is 1, times the second function, cosine 1 over x. We add on to this the first function multiplied by the derivative of the second. So to differentiate cosine 1 over x, we must use the chain rule. We take the derivative of the outside function minus sine, evaluate it at the inside function, 1 over x, and then we multiply all of this by the derivative of the inside function. The derivative of 1 over x is minus 1 over x squared. Simplifying this down, it becomes cosine 1 over x. The two negatives in the next term cancel off, and one of the x's. So we're left with 1 over x sine 1 over x. Now we can determine f prime of 2 over pi. This will be cosine pi over 2 plus pi over 2 sine pi over 2. Cosine pi over 2 is equal to 0, and sine of pi over 2 is equal to 1. So f prime of 2 over pi is pi over 2. Putting this all together, the equation of our tangent line then is y equals f prime of 2 over pi, which is a number pi over 2, multiplied by x minus 2 over pi, plus we add on to this f of 2 over pi, 0. Simplifying this just a touch by distributing the pi over 2 through, this becomes pi over 2x minus 1, which gives us the equation of the desired tangent line.